A mechanical keyboard? And a mouse? For only $20? That can't be right. This is the Marvo CM373 Honeycomb Gaming RGB Mechanical Keyboard and Mouse Combo. That's a mouthful. First impression is just from the unboxing. I noticed the mouse had popped loose. One of the switches or whatever, one of the clickers there came loose, but I was able to push it back in and it feels fine now. It's clicking and everything, sounding good, feeling okay. Other than for that, dude, it comes with a lot of the little cool stuff, all them handy dandy stickers. I'm a sucker for them. They knew who they were marketing this thing for. All those cool stickers, man. Cool, man. Got me some stickers, dude. And even got a weird little keychain thing. Maybe it's a keychain. I don't know. Or dog tag. I don't know. But it's cool anyway. It's something. It's better than nothing. So yeah. I mean, the unboxing was pretty cool. Other like I said, other than for the fact that the mouse had an issue, but that was probably just in the packaging or whatever. It's probably fine. Hopefully we'll find out. If it's defective, we'll find out. But let's go ahead and plug this bad boy up and see what we can get out of it.
Alright, so just looking at this thing all lit up, I gotta tell you, the little wrist rest is pretty darn nice. It does pick up oil pretty easy. That came right off my wrist. Nothing really super satisfying about the mouse, at least from the look of it. It's pretty blah, but I gotta tell you, man, this keyboard makes me want to put on some bell bottoms and pull out a disco ball from somewhere and just go off.
So it's a big surprise for a $20 deal here. We actually got some software. We have software for the keyboard and for the mouse. Here's the mouse software, mouse keyboard. The mouse software. You can choose between office mode and game mode. Under the advanced, of course, I got my favorite DPI of 1600. You can, mess around with speed and all that other crap. The lighting modes, there's a few. They don't look hugely different, but you can choose to have them turned off or whatever the situation is. You can change the speed of them and all that, and you just click apply, and that's that. And then this is the keyboard one. Kind of the same thing. Ain't much you can really do with it. You can change the lighting mode. I put it on raindrops. You can change how bright it is. It doesn't make a massive difference on the actual keyboard itself. And the speed at which the lights move, that actually does make a difference. All of these things you could probably do with the keyboard as well. And then you just apply that as well. It's pretty cool, pretty simple. It's actually nice that they have that though.
Oh yeah, it looks like these come with some red switches here. These are Jexion. I'm not real familiar with the Jexion switches, but we're going to give them a try. We'll see what they sound like here in a little bit. I don't expect them to be too bad. I think that's just sort of a cheaper brand. Switches. Give them a try, see what they sound like. Oh, just a quick look at the mouse. According to the listing, it weighs 75 grams. I feel like it's a little heavier than that, but it's still not bad. It's pretty good. It goes up to 6400 DPI, which I only use 1600, but still, that's pretty good too. Yeah, so that's the mouse. Just wanted to take one quick last look at that.